Hello everyone. Today I am going to show the one of the important things about the audio enabled chat application. Suppose that we are going to use the one of the model PHI-4 multimedia instruct generative AI model. It will generate responses that include the audio files. Okay. So let's start. And first of all, we have to open the our Microsoft Foundry portal ai.azure.com. Okay, like I already open it. Let's see. Now there is a search button here, search a model, and let's I am type phi4 hyphen 4 slash hyphen multi. You can say here I will find multi model instruct. Just select this. This is the very simple steps to create the any agent by using any model. Okay, so you can go and you can read the all details about the what can be the input, can be audio, image, text. Okay, now click on the use this model, and I don't have any project till now, so I'm going to create a new project. I just given the name also AI test project, and this is the resource and this is my subscription. I'm going to create the I have already a resource group. I selecting that one. You guys want, then you can create the new resource group. And here just create and continue button. Just I am creating here. You can say is it's starting, and it will take not more much. It will take 1 or 2 minutes for setting up your Microsoft Foundry project, and then it will ask the option for deployment. So let's wait. You can see here it's now you can if you want to see the pricing detail, you can go and see here, and I create here the agree and proceed, and now we have to deploy it. I click on the deploy button. The deployment is started, and it will not take much time. You can see it's deployed. The for overview, you can go here, you can check your model, and this is the API key that will be used whenever you are going to call from the client end. I will show you how to call from the client end. I will use the Python code for this. So that key and this URL will be used. And here there is a model and endpoints. You guys can see what is your model name, what is the key, and all details you will find here. Okay. Yeah, that is the very simple steps in AI to use this model. Now I will move in the Python code how we can call this model through the Python. Let's move in the Python. Now guys, let's move to the Python code. Okay. So first of all, for Python code, there are very basic, very easy code to call this model. You guys already know if you seen my previous video how to call this Python code. Okay, so these are the only Azure OpenAI. First of all, this is the requirement.txt. We need to install the this libraries OpenAI and this one. And in the code, they are very basic. I am just clearing the console, loading the environment. I am keeping everything in the .env file. Okay, and this is the API key, and this is the endpoint, deployment name, and version. Okay, there are four things required for to call the any model. So where you find all these, you will find the all details. Whenever you go to click on the model overview, the model already deployed, you will find that this is the API key, and this is the Azure OpenAI URL you are going to use in this code. Okay, and our model name, what is the model name we deployed? You will find all details by clicking the model plus endpoint. You can see here, this is the our model name, this is the version, all details we will find here. Okay, I added all details in .env file and calling in the code here, and these lines only to create the object of Azure OpenAI by passing the key, version, endpoint, and I'm just initializing a prompt like you are an AI assistant for a produce supplier company. For a supplier company, they are passing the audios, and our AI model internally read the audio and provide the outputs. Okay, here just a while loop. I am asking the prompt what user wants from this audio, and then I am passing the audio file path name. I am using this audio. First, guys, listen this audio, what it's saying.
Hi, this is Parker from 4th Coffee on Madison Avenue. I'm calling to update our order for next month. We'd like to add an additional 5 pounds of avocados. Thanks.
Yeah, in this audio, they are adding something in your inventory. Okay, and this is just I am loading the audio file, and then I am calling the client dot chat dot completion and passing the deployment role, deployment name, and role is the this is the system roles and system message we are setting here, and all in input was the audio. Okay, I am getting the response. There are very few lines of code. Let's see. Run the code. To run the code, python and slash file name. Okay, so it's asking ask a question about the audio. So just I am asking what is the summary, what is the summary of audio. So audio, what is the summary of audio? Just I am asking. It will listen the audio, and it's give me the summary like Parker from Fourth Coffee in Medicine Avenue called to update their advocate order for next month, waiting to add additional 5 pounds. This is the summary of audio. In this way, in the lot of company, the use case can be lot of audio files we are getting, and you want the details in this audio file, just call this model and they will provide the details in the audio file. For this message we can insert anywhere. Okay, this is the very simple example to like the get the output from the audio files. Okay, yeah, I think that's all. This is the very few things in the Python code, and guys, I am going to upload this Python code my URL in my channels and as well my GitHub project also. The GitHub project link I am already giving in my videos. If any comment, if any topics you want, then please give us the comment. I will definitely try to provide a video for that topic also. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.